Hi friends, today I am going to show the tutorial how we can get automatic Slack notification after we submit the online form. Please click on the create workflow option to see workflow page. And if we click the plus symbol, it will ask for the option to choose whether we are going to choose the trigger or action. Trigger means after submitting the form we can integrate with the Slack and get the notification, and we are going to search for n8n form. We are getting on form submission page, and for this test purpose I am avoiding the authentication, so I choose none, and I am giving form title as customer submission. Form description, we can provide welcome to our company and please proceed with the registration. And I am going to add the form elements. We can add n number of form elements. First I am going to add name field, and I am going to choose whether the name field is text, number, file or email. Basically, the name field belongs to the text type, so I am going to choose text. I can make whether it is record field or not, but I am currently choosing none, and I am going to add another field name which is email. I am going to choose element type as email, because if the customer submit the email address without @gmail.com means it will give error, or otherwise if the customer forgot to mention @gmail.com means it will accept. I am going to add another form element which is date, and I am going to choose element type as date. And we can execute this step and see the output. For example, I am going to execute it. You can see the online submission form, and I am going to enter the fields. And I am going to submit the form. And we are getting the output what I have typed in the form. It has been reflected here. and we can see it in table format or schema format. While we are automating the workflow, the data will be transferred in JSON format only. You are seeing the JSON format data, and we are going to add the if condition. For example, if the installation date within 7 days means, we can take the customer data and we can contact them. So we are integrating the if condition here. And you can see the previous output value has been displayed here, and we can drag the value to the if condition. For example, if we provide the condition whether the date is reflected within the 7 days means, we can drag the date here and it will be apply in JSON, and we can give before. It is throwing the error since we are not given any value. I am choosing expression, and I am selecting now because it will give the present time. And I am inserting the dot operator, and we are going to choose plus. And we can see the description of plus. They are mentioning we need to mention how many days, and we need to mention days word itself. And if the condition is true means, we are going to get the notification in Slack. I am going to integrate the Slack now. I am going to choose send a message. I already integrate the credential. If you want means, I will make another video and show how we can integrate the Slack credential in n8n. And I am going to choose message and operation as send, and send to channel or user. I am going to choose channel, and I am selecting the option from list, and I am going to select the channel. All hurry. Simple message or blocks or attachment. I am going to select simple text message. What message I am going to send? What type of format I am going to send? I am going to choose expression. Here I am going to type what message I am going to send. You can see the static content and the dynamic content. We are dragging the name, email, and date here, and whether the condition is false means I am going to integrate no operation, and I am going to execute the workflow. I am going to type the name. I am going to select the date, which is within 7 days. You can see the message here, what I have typed. Uh, I am going to active this workflow by enabling this option. And we can get the form URL from here. I am going to show. We can fill the form and submit it. This is the end of the tutorial, friends. Please subscribe for future videos regarding n8n Docker Kubernetes. Thank you.